Thank you, Prince Arthur Eze, the charity man.
Thank you very much. Thank you, the Grace, the Archbishop of Abuja. Thank you very much, my brother and my good friend, King George. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. This first time I'm coming here. I was born as an Anglican, but the unity in your church is very wonderful. You are more united, love, kindness, singing, everybody dancing. Yeah, but I have to beg you, anybody who wants to take Holy Communion with you, allow me to come and take Holy Communion. You can change him to join you because we are worshiping one God. We have this President Buhari, it's a Muslim. But God instilled in him to go and look for George, the Christian. Out of 200 million Nigerians, look at that George. Not sure that Tinubu has no boundary. No boundary. If you come to Abuja, you see Wike is Igbo man. You see Umahi is Igbo man, minister. Everywhere, no boundary. All the type of people we want to lead Nigeria. After 80 years, Nigeria will change. It started changing. Now I beg everybody to support him before we die. I have nothing to give, but my Lord, I have to thank you. Thank you, my brother. I'm going to give you 100 million naira, but I'll give you 20 now. Thank
you. Your Grace,